Yo, what's going on, guys? It's been a minute, huh? Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Nico here, better known as Slow of 30, and I know it's been a very long time since you've seen me, as well as this car here, my 2018 340i, and a lot has been going on in the past year, and really, no excuses for it. All I can really say is just something we love to call life. But yeah, guys, there's been a lot going on, so I really do apologize about not being able to upload for the past year. But if you guys haven't or haven't already, I have been posting on TikTok for the past year. Over the course of not posting on YouTube and posting on TikTok, I'm just trying to keep you guys updated. So if you haven't yet, go follow my TikTok down below. That's where I post a lot. Not gonna say a lot more, well, definitely a lot more than you guys can see. But yeah, guys, anyway, to kind of get back into it, I wanted to do a GoPro POV driving footage of me going to work. And then within that drive, I'll be explaining obviously what I've done to the 340 in the past year, as well as what I plan on doing in the next coming month or two here as well. Got some big plans for this thing, so make sure you guys stick all the way through the end to hear what I plan on doing to the car. If you guys have any questions or anything, just feel free to let me know in the comments below. I will be posting regularly again here soon in about a month or so once they actually start getting all my parts onto the car that I plan on getting onto the 340. That's why I'll be posting a lot more and more and more on YouTube. Also, let me do this plug here, guys, but if you guys don't remember, I also do own a clothing brand, so if you guys want to see the new drops, make sure to check it out in the link in the description. Anyway, guys, with that being said, let's get into the POV drive. Well, anyway, I got this Ford Explorer on my ass. Some like teenage kid, but anyway, besides the point. So catching back to where I was filming before, basically a lot has just gone on in the past year or so where I just haven't been able to film, which I completely 110% apologize about all that. So just give you guys a little update. Obviously, as you can see, I still have the 340. Plan on obviously having this car for a long time. So some things I have on the way coming, which I will probably do a video on soon, outside of just this kind of POV drive, is the fact that I have the my Pure 850 turbo upgrade, methanol injection, my flex fuel kit, a bunch of other miscellaneous stuff, obviously like charge pipes, you know, an upgraded heat exchanger, stuff like that. Got all that already. Just gotta get it put on, which I believe I'm gonna get that all put on in about a month or so. So when that gets done, obviously I'll do a video on that, guys. I already have the custom tune file. I did end up going with Carrie Jordan for the tune, or the custom tune in this case. So now currently I believe nothing else has honestly changed on this car since I last filmed, unless, actually no, I did lie about that. My car is now on coilovers. So if you guys do not know, I do currently work at ECS Tuning, and one of the new coilovers they released were their adjustable dampening street coilover system for this car, but they didn't have a 340 to test it on. Luckily, obviously I worked there, so they ended up putting the prototypes onto my car, and I've had them on my car for exactly about a year. Since I honestly haven't posted since, but and I love them. I love them to death. They're amazing, even for just being a prototypes. They're awesome. We did just release them, so I will go ahead and put the link for them in the description below. If you guys are interested in having, you know, a 340, 440, etc., we do have those now available, and they're actually going out like crazy. A lot of people have been loving them customer-wise, and then as well as me personally, just running them for the, you know, having the first version on the face of this earth. And running them for this amount of time, you know, I personally have no complaints, honestly. The ride quality is great, the adjustable dampening, the height, everything you can adjust, it's amazing. Second to that, I believe the only extra thing that has changed would be the my wheels. So I did end up getting same thing along with ECS. Now ECS has their own in-house branded wheels called Alzors, and they're amazing wheels, especially for the price, best bang for the buck. I can put a picture of what my car currently looks like up here. The only thing I'm still waiting on, or not waiting on, but haven't ordered yet, are some wheel spacers. I do need to get those, especially the rear wheels specifically, pushed out a little bit more, for sure. So it's making more of a flush look. That's kind of what I'm looking for. But yeah, Also, if you guys do not know, I post on TikTok almost like every other day. That's honestly where I've been also for the past year and a half, is just because in a sense TikTok is a lot easier to keep content moving. I mean, you can film a video on your phone very easily. So if you guys haven't yet, my TikTok will be linked in the bio or the description below, and you can catch up, see what's been going on with the car, because there's also a lot of other things as well that have been going on. I mean, I've had to run through 3 new bumpers, because right here on this road actually, but at night though, since it's right by my work, there's always raccoons, possums, and I don't know what, they have a suicide wish or what, but they always love jumping out last second when you can't do anything about it, and then boom, bumpers collapse. So that's also been kind of an issue recently. Oh, love them pops and bangs, a flame tune, man, love it. Also, one other thing that's not really a big modification, just something I thought I'd throw in there as well, is that I did end up getting 2-piece drilled and slotted rotors for the brakes, so obviously better for performance as well as the looks also. As well as something I also am going to be getting soon is a front lip. I definitely need that. That's one thing I am still slacking on. Oh, I was going to do a pull here, but there's somebody up there, so I don't want to startle him. Forgetting one more thing as well. I did end up getting a diffuser as well for the rear. It's just a basic matte black diffuser, nothing special, nothing crazy, just your average diffuser. So that's something I also got as well. Super excited to go ahead and get started again on making content, as well as getting all of my new parts on, especially performance parts, you know, bigger turbo, etc. It's going to be exciting, and I hope you guys will obviously enjoy that content. So, but we will get there when we get there. Like I said, I'm expecting to get all that put on in about a month. So I will go ahead and do, obviously, you know, I myself not installing it. Actually, German Auto Pros in Middleburg Heights / Parma, where we are, you know, around the area I'm located. They are the absolute wizards with German cars. If you guys are in and around the Northeast Ohio area, have a German car, need work done, go hit them up, tell them Nico sent you. You know, they're great. All right, guys, hold on. Window down. All right, guys, so sorry for that cut. All right, guys, so sorry for that blank cut off. My GoPro died mid-drive. So I'm just gonna go ahead and end the video here. Like I said earlier, guys, I'm super excited for this build. I'm super excited for you guys to follow me along on this journey. Of course, the Pure 850, the methanol injection kit, flex fuel, all down the line with the B58 engine. Gonna be making some great power. So stick around, guys. Make sure if you haven't yet, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I will be posting a lot more here shortly. And also, if you haven't yet, like I mentioned earlier, follow my TikTok. I post a lot more over there in the sense of you know, daily basis versus, you know, maybe once every 2 weeks or so, which I plan on doing here on YouTube. Yeah, guys, that's gonna be it from me for the day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow.